Hey everyone, welcome back to Can Make Some More. So I want to do a really quick, super quick video just to show y'all something pretty awesome. So I had someone message me on Instagram the other day and tell me that they used my YouTube video where I made the pumpkins with my 48-pin Sentro knitting machine, and they made pumpkins with it using the pattern that I put on there. And they sent me pictures of their pumpkins, and those pumpkins were so cute. Literally, they were so adorable. They did such a good job. Well, they actually sent me another picture last night of the pumpkins, but they decorated them. And oh my goodness, I absolutely love how they came out. They're so cute. They did such a good job. So I did get permission from them, but I'm going to share the pictures with you. I'm going to put it at the end of the video, so make sure to watch it all the way to the end. And I will be doing more updated videos here soon. Once it gets cooler weather is when I will be pulling back out my knitting machine, because I have to service it anyways, because it's been sitting for a while and all the dust and stuff, that's collected on it. So I'm going to have to take it apart and oil it or grease it. So I'll do a video on that. And now that I have my craft room, I can actually do better videos on different stuff, and I don't have to set it up in my kitchen and the bad lighting. I have my ring light, I have my microphone now, so I can actually make really nice videos. So I'm going to be doing updated videos on knitting machine stuff in a couple months, the pumpkins, the hats, and some other stuff that I have been saving for a little while now, that I've been seeing that you can make with a knitting machine. That's super cool. So I will do updated videos, like I said, hopefully soon once the cooler weather comes around. But I just wanted to share that with y'all real quick. Pictures are at the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all for the new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate you. And if there's any kind of knitting machine videos, certain things that you want to see, drop it down in the comments below, and I'll save your suggestions until whenever I make new videos, and I will try my best to help y'all. So that's it for today. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.